Recording in progress.
Good morning and good evening to everybody who is attending. Congratulations to all of us all over the globe on International Women's Day, which we have chosen to celebrate with a few poets talking about poetry, about women. So, this is a Parwazi Shaheen Rifat Sarosh Academy initiative. We've been doing events on stage in person for the past 18, 19 years, but this is the first online event we are doing. So, I'm very thankful to you, Anita Nahalji, Sumita Dattaji, Arun Paswanji, and then a couple of other people will also be joining us shortly. So, without much ado, I think we have two of we admit Harish Masand and we admit Shazia Khan. So, the quorum is complete. Welcome, Harish Masand, and welcome, Shazia Khan. Uh, Okay, so as I was saying that we have instituted this academy, Parwazi Shaheen Rifat Sarosh Academy, in the name of a world-renowned Urdu poet, Janab Rifat Sarosh. So he has been, of course, writing in various genres and he has 55 books. I want to begin with one of his couplets, first in Urdu and then the same thing in English. मैं स्त्री हूँ, मुझे सम्मान की मंजिल को पाना है न आए सामने कोई कि ये मेरा जमाना है. I'm a woman and I have to get the destination of honor. No one should challenge me because it is my era. And this is what people like Anita Nahal have also been doing. Anita Nahal, very short introduction is that she is a professor and poet, children's book writer, novelist, short filmmaker, a Fulbright and NEH scholar. She teaches at the University of Washington, D.C. Anita is such an inspiring person. She has 16 published books and she's been conferred with many awards and accolades and for her literature, for her short films. Without much ado, let us welcome Anita Nahal.
Thank you so much, dear Shahina ji, for inviting me to this forum on the International Women's Day. Thank you for the introduction. So I think I'll get directly to my poem.
Please.
Just a few lines. The couplet that you read out is so, appropriate for the poem I'm going to read. Women write, men also, but we are focusing on women today. They write on a number of themes. And I think most of all, women tend to focus on dignity and self-respect, whether it's in relationships, at home, or in the workspace. And they talk about, the issues that impact the world in various ways. So I am delighted to read my poem. My poem is called What's Wrong with Us Kali Women? I tend to invoke Indian Hindu goddesses a lot. And this is from my third collection, which is also titled,
Just one second before you start, because we had two more people, Shazia Khan and Harish Masand. Harish Masand has joined us from Vancouver, Canada. Shazia Khan has joined us from Arlington, Massachusetts. Sumita Datta has joined us from New Delhi, India. And Anita Nahal has joined us from Washington, D.C. One small thing that after each poem, we get about a minute and a half to comment about the poem. And fine. So we welcome Anita Nahal again.
Thank you. Thank you. And hello to Harish Masand. After a long time seeing you online, so great to see you. So this poem, What's Wrong with Us Kali Women, is from my third collection, which is also titled by the same name. And this was published by Kelsey Publishers in 2022. What's wrong with us Kali women? Just a word here. I tend to write prose poetry, and I tend to speak a little bit like beat poetry. So that's the rhythm that I will follow. What's wrong with us Kali women? There's nothing wrong, nothing wrong. That's your fear labeling us. We are the Kali women and all other female, male, androgynous gods. We don't distinguish. We seek, we learn, comprehend, embrace. We are the Kali women. in the forefront, striding and yes, strutting our stuff too. Some men gulp and gawk, make a tight knot of patriarchy. They are the same who have been bowing before Kali's statues for centuries, marking their foreheads with mitti from her robes. And then they call her Ma Kali and walk away, brash, brazen, evil. Don't think she's not watching. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. That's your fear labeling us. We are the Kali women, always in front, straddling between pathways, poles, blocks, and behavior, between screams and footsteps, pining for justice denied, justice battered, justice flagged, murdered, burned, their dark skin, their gender, religion, their sandals bloodstained, their clothes drenched and smelling of your foul breath, with your hands striking, your feet jutting and hitting. And then some, in their sinister voice, sing well into the murky night, Makali, 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 Makali. Don't think she's not watching. There's nothing wrong, nothing wrong. That's your fear labeling us. We are the Kali women. My skin is Kali, my heart is gold, my soul is a child, cries, laughs, jumps, feelings flow like fresh churned cream from cow's milk. My skin disgusts you, yet you try to tan yours. My skin disturbs you, yet you find it exotic. My skin you call Gandhi, but I am clean. I bathe. In winters, when my skin lightens a bit, you proclaim, I'm looking soft. Fear, I was always clean. It's your mind that is dirty. Even mock bathing in River Ganga might skim above your falseness. Makali, Makali, Makali. Don't think she's not watching. Thank you.
So wonderful, so wonderful. Any comments from all the participants, please? Shazia Khan and Harish Masand, you can unmute your microphones. Arun Kumar Paswanji, you can unmute your microphone, and Mr. Hamid Battu, please, you can unmute your microphone and comment if you want to comment. Any comments, please?
Hard hitting is the one comment, and there's no one to judge women. And Ma Kali, I mean, what a no words. Anita Nahalji, wonderful. Hard hitting is the word.
Thank you, Harish
Hello.
Masand. It is very early for you in Vancouver just now, but it is your interest that brings you here. Next, we will have Shazia Khan. She is a PhD in molecular biology, and she's a scientific editor at Cell Press, Elsevier Group of Journals, for the past 10 years. She's a research scientist by training with expertise in biochemistry, molecular and cell biology. She's a mentor and an aspiring coach. Shazia Khan has won many accolades for her academic excellence, and she also tries her hand on short stories, some, beginning of a new novel. And we welcome Shazia Khan for another reason. Number one, she is the youngest participant at the moment, and she is the founder president of our academy, Parwazi Shaheen Rifa Surush Academy, and she has poetry in her blood. She is the granddaughter of Janab Rifat Sarush. So we welcome Shazia Khan.
As you can guess, I'm Shaina Khan's daughter. So I'm the Nepo kid on the call. I don't
With a
really
talent.
That's subjective, but I don't really write a lot of poetry and I don't really share much, but I'll try to share one small thing that I've written today. Let me know what you think. I'm not going to introduce it. I'll just see if anyone has any comments and we can talk about it later. It's called Golden Girl. Golden Girl, what happened to your shine? Where did you go? Who did you become? Are you lost in the shadows, somewhere in the grime, or somewhere in the grind through the passage of time? Were you really gold, or just a shell that shone bright, that was hollow inside? What was lost, and what was gained? Surely, something must have sustained. Gold dust is still gold. Gather it together. Pressure makes diamonds, but you don't need to be one.
Very nice, Shazia.
Thank you.
A little louder, Sumita ji.
Very nice, Shazia.
Thank you so much.
Harish Masand.
Yes, as always, I'll be a little biased. To see Shazia is always a pleasure. I've seen her grow from this little baby to this wonderful woman she is today. And yes, very deep and very meaningful. Golden girl, Shazia. That's
Thank
really
you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Anita.
I think it was short and sweet. And the word that you use, golden, is metaphoric for so many things. And I think you brought that out beautifully.
Thank you.
Arun Kumar Paswan ji.
जी मैं तो यही कहूँगा कि हीरे के टुकड़े जो होते हैं वो भी हीरे ही होते हैं। तो साजिया जी में वही गुण है। और ये आगे आगे जो है वो शायद साहिना जी से आगे निकल जाएंगी।
यही मैं चाहती हूँ। हर माँ बाप ये चाहता है
जी
कि
जी
उनका
जी
बच्चा आगे निकले। और
बिल्कुल
पासवान जी, आप तो इतने बड़े कवि हैं, मुझे अपने वालिद साहब का एक वो शेर याद आ गया जो सुना सुना के वो हमें बड़ा करते थे। वो
जी
कहते
जी
थे, जो हो सके तो हमें पामाल करके आगे बढ़,
जी जी
न हो सके तो हमारा जवाब पैदा कर।
क्या बात
Meaning
क्या
thereby that if possible,
जी
just
जी
go tread my footsteps and go further.
जी जी
And we'll be very, very happy to see you grow like this. And also, talking of women, this is somebody's very beautiful share which I'm going to recite, and it says, for a woman, तुमको आता है मोहब्बत में करिश्मे करना, तुमको आता है मोहब्बत में करिश्मे करना, तू तो कीकर को भी छूकर संदल कर दे। ये
वाह
एक क्वालिटी है वुमन की, that you know
जी
how to do miracles. Even if you touch a dry peaker tree, you can make it a fragrant sandalwood tree. And that is the quality in the voice of Sumita Dattaji. So I was wanting to invite Harish Masand. He is, I don't know where to start and where to end. He is one person who is multifaceted. He is a banker by profession, and he's very popular with his clients and his work in the bank. But the side that I want to highlight is he is an actor, a stage artist, a filmmaker, a broadcaster, a writer, and what have you. And he says he's still learning, but I have seen him grow in the past 3 decades, and I pray that you have so many more heights to achieve. Without much ado, we have Harish Masand from Vancouver, Canada.
Thank you, Shaina ji. Thank you very much for this honor of including me in हमारी महफिल। और आपकी महफिल के तो क्या ही कहने, पिछले 3 दशकों से ज़्यादा देख रहा हूँ आपकी महफिलों को, और आपके what should I say? I've grown literally under the expertise that Shaina Khan ji has, not only as a broadcaster, as an orator, but as a woman, as an individual. I've learned a lot. उनके जर्नी देखे हैं, उनके बैटल्स देखे हैं, उनके स्ट्रगल्स देखे हैं। वो सिर्फ उनके ही नहीं थे, शायद उन्हें लगता है उनके ही हैं। उनमें कहीं ना कहीं उनके साथ मेरे जैसे जो लोग जुड़े हुए थे उन्होंने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा है, एंड वी हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू, आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू। सो अपने आप को आज मैं अगर कुछ कहता हूँ कि अगर मैंने जो थोड़ा बहुत एकम्प्लिश किया है, यू हैव प्लेड अ बिग रोल इन इट, without any doubt I can say that. And at the same time, I would like to welcome all the wonderful poets, accomplished poets. Anita Nahalji, yes, it was a pleasure to see you again after such a long time. I interviewed you a couple of years ago on my broadcasting channel. That still remains one of the wonderful memories. सुमिता जी, आपका भी स्वागत है। पासवान जी, आपका भी कविता सुनने के लिए मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ। I'm not sure Joshi ji is here or not. And Shazia, of course, बेटी कहूँ, बहन कहूँ, कोई भी रिश्ता कह लीजिए, a wonderful accomplished woman. माँ काली और गोल्डन गर्ल के बाद तो मैं क्या ही कहूँ। I'm not that deep thinker. I'm an artist, I'm a creator. So new world brings new challenges, new battles to be won, not for the women, but for all of us, but in particularly, yes, for women. We say we have progressed, but have we enough? That's the big question that we still ask ourselves. मैं पॉजिटिव थिंकर हूँ, पॉजिटिव बातें करूँगा। एट द सेम टाइम, आई एम अ मैन, I see struggle, I see challenges women face, but I cannot experience it because that's just not me. But I see, जो उसको देखता हूँ, उनको महसूस करता हूँ, उसी के साथ अपनी feelings को जाहिर करूँगा. It's a short poem, not very heavy in the words. I use light and simple language. From every land, women stand tall and proud. Their stories of courage now we hear clear and loud. Through tears and trials, they found their voices and stood for justice by fearless choices. With hands that nurture, hearts that care, they build strong homes with love to share. For family and future, they bravely stand, a guiding strength that makes it grand. They broke old walls that blocked their way and claimed their rightful place today. In every field, they rise and lead, setting success in their word and deed. Strong in spirit, bold and wise, their vision lifts the human skies. Women of the world, fearless and true, the future shines, all because of you. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Comments, please. पासवान जी, अनम्यूट करके कमेंट.
जी जी, जितनी अच्छी आवाज, उतने अच्छे शब्द, उतना अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन और उतने अच्छे भाव। तो मैं तो धन्य हो रहा हूँ सुन के उनको। और मतलब आपका धन्यवाद इसलिए करता हूँ कि ये जो दिवस है आज का, ये विचार करने का दिवस है और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर विचार करने का दिवस है। इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर विचार करने के लिए आपने मुझ जैसे नाचीज को भी शामिल किया है, तो आपका बहुत बहुत आभार।
आपका
और
आभार कि आप आए। और शाजिया, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
I really like the sentiment behind the poem. जो आपने कहा है कि that is the fact कि women do so much, women has progressed so much, but there is much still to be done. और ये पूरा sentiment आपकी poem में सामने आ रहा है कि बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है, बहुत कुछ करती हैं, लेकिन somehow that level of achievement, that level of recognition throughout the world has to come. Yes, Western world में आ गया है, but not everywhere in the world. So that's something to aspire to and think about. सोचने वाली बात है, reflect करने वाली बात है. So really nice. I really like it. Thank you for sharing.
Anita Nahal ji.
I would say, Harish, that was the most apt poem for Women's Day. You brought in all the sentiments and there's an acknowledgement in it, there's hope in it. As you said, you're a very positive person. So that comes through, there's strength in your poem. I deeply appreciated that.
That's what I can say. Hello, Shaina ji.
Ji. So Sumita ji, let me again say a line about Sumita ji, that she is a wonderful person, a semi-classical singer. She has performed internationally, and she's such an adorable friend, always there, always there. So I want you to please, we are waiting for your rendition of Mahadevi Barma's poem. Please.
Thank you. For everybody's introduction, I'm not a poet, but I sing poems from great people. I compose them and I try to sing. So, this is a poem which I'm going to recite today. It's by Mahadevi Verma, a great poet of India. And the song is Main Neer Bhari, Dukh Ki Badli, where she explains the life of a woman which is full of ups and downs, but still she has own identity. So this is the song which I am going to recite. I take everybody's permission to start. I'll play my tanpura and I'll play. मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदली, 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 मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदली। स्पंदन में चिर निस्पंद बसा, क्रंदन में आहत विश्व हंसा, नयनों में दीपक से जलते, पलकों में निर्झरनी मचली, मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदली, मेरा पग पग संगीत भरा, मेरा पग पग संगीत भरा, श्वासों में स्वप्न पराग झरा, मेरा पग पग संगीत भरा, श्वासों में स्वप्न पराग झरा, नभ के नव रंग बुनते दुकुल, नभ के नव रंग बुनते दुकुल, छाया में मलय बयार पली, मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदली, विस्तृत नभ का कोई कोना, मेरा ना कभी अपना होना, विस्तृत नभ का कोई कोना, मेरा ना कभी अपना होना, परिचय इतना इतिहास यही, परिचय इतना इतिहास यही, उमड़ी कल थी मिट आज चली, मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदली।
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर। तालियों के अलावा कुछ और नहीं कह सकते। हमारा समय बहुत कम सा रह रहा है। अरुण पासवान जी के बारे में क्या बताऊं? He is a prolific writer. He has about 12 published books. Anita Nahal ji has 16 published books. I mean, we are among people who are creating literature, who are showing us path. Arun Kumar Paswan ji is a veteran broadcaster. He is a very humble person. He is a member of so many societies and educational groups and what have you. Without much ado, he is going to recite to us a very poignant poem which talks about, a woman and what men should give to women. It's called Mardana. Paswan ji, Mardana
जी
padhiye please.
जी। धन्यवाद और नमस्कार सबको। जैसा कि हरीश जी ने कहा कि सकारात्मक हैं वो, हम सभी सकारात्मक होना चाहते हैं, लेकिन सच कहना कवि का धर्म होता है, और सच जो है वो पूरी तरह सकारात्मक नहीं है, इसलिए मर्दाना जैसी कविताएं आज भी रची जाती हैं। तो ये है मेरी कविता मर्दाना। कि सूर्य पर ही क्यों न जाओ, सूर्य पर ही क्यों न जाओ, हर जगह घूंघट में जाना, घर की बांधी रहो घर सी, तभी रहेगा खुश मर्दाना। जीत पर तेरी किसी भी मुझे होती असह पीड़ा, उस पीड़ा का काट है ये तर्जनी तुमको दिखाना। परंपरागत नृप हम ही हैं, कल आज कल हम ही हैं, सोच कैसे लिया तुमने छोड़ देंगे हम फरमाना। क्या खाओगी पियोगी किस हाल में जियोगी, पूछ लिया करो हमसे, हक हमारा ही बताना। बन लो सरपंच मुखिया, बन लो सरपंच मुखिया, कहलाओ खूब सुखिया, फैसला लेकिन कि कोई हमसे पूछ कर सुनाना। घर बाहर फर्क क्या है, ये फालतू तर्क क्या है, मर्द हैं इतना है काफी, मर्दों का ही ये जमाना। घूंघट वाली ये तस्वीरें खींचती हैं जो लकीरें, याद रखना उन्हें सदा, भूल से भी ना भुलाना। पुरुष हैं, पुरुष हैं हमें अहं प्यारा, स्त्री से पुरुष कब हारा। दोस्ते तुमको रहे सदा, आदम मनु वही पुराना। बात जो हम कर रहे हैं नहीं सोचना डर रहे हैं, बात जो हम कर रहे हैं नहीं सोचना डर रहे हैं, समझदारी है तो समझो कहाँ चला है निशाना। और भाषणों में मत भुलाओ, ये हिदायत मान जाओ, समझ जाओ मन की बात और क्या है बताना। और ये आखिरी बंद उसका कि सूर्य पर ही क्यों न जाओ, सूर्य पर ही क्यों न जाओ, हर जगह घूंघट में जाना, घर की बांधी रहो घर सी, तभी रहेगा खुश मर्दाना, तभी रहेगा खुश मर्दाना। जी
क्या बात है
जी धन्यवाद।
मर्दाना की, क्या बात है मर्दाना की। और कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मैन, सो ब्यूटिफुल, कमिंग फ्रॉम अ मैन, वेरी क्विक कमेंट्स।
Yeah, I echo what you're saying, शहीना। आपकी कविता पासवान जी बहुत ही बढ़िया थी, and you conveyed the sentiments because that's what actually happens in life. तो आपने sentiments convey किए हैं। Thank you, enjoyed it.
धन्यवाद।
हरीश,
Or coming from a man, it needs a very strong man to come out with this kind of an expression, 100%. So ये इनकी strength है, पासवान जी की strength है, और इसे अधिक नहीं बोलूंगा मैं।
I wanted to say कि बहुत ही पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है आपकी पोएम। पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी के मैन फर्स्ट, मैं मैन हूँ, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइट। ब्यूटीफुल एक्सप्रेशंस। और मैं कहना चाहती थी सुमिता जी की सिंगिंग के बारे में भी, ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत अच्छी तरह आपने इमोशंस कैप्चर किए। थैंक यू टू ऑल द पोएट्स।
more comments about Sumita Datta ji? Then I'll come with 2 minutes.
Yeah, I really
It's
going to
so
say,
much.
सुनीता जी, I really enjoyed your singing. बहुत ही मधुर आवाज है। मैं डांस बहुत करती हूँ, मुझे गाना नहीं गाना आता, तो जब मैं सुनती हूँ किसी को जैसे आपको सुना आज, तो दिल खुश हो जाता है। थैंक यू, रियली एंजॉयड इट।
Harish,
सुमिता
Yes.
सुमिता जी को साहिना जी के ही सौजन्य से एक बार और सुना था मैंने, और ये जब कुछ प्रस्तुत करती हैं तो उसमें उसी सा हो जाती हैं, उसी तरह के भाव ये ले आती हैं।
शुक्रिया।
जी, बस मैं भी यही कहना चाहता था, इन्होंने शब्दों को अपने भाव में, अपने सुर में बिल्कुल सही पिरोया। वो शब्द बिल्कुल मैं आंखें बंद करके सुन रहा था, वो दिल तक पहुंच गए। सुमित्रा जी बहुत सुंदर गाती हैं आप।
बहुत शुक्रिया हरीश जी।
बहुत सुंदर, और बहुत ही शुक्रिया सुमिता दत्ता जी, अनीता नाहल जी, शाजिया खान, अरुण कुमार पासवान जी, हरीश मसंद